Right, so you've got your phaser there for the variable valve timing. As you can see, there's no guides on the chain on these, it just runs in the oil. But that's what I'm hoping to try and get rid of with the new chain. That's a lot, that. So hopefully it should like sort of be a lot more, have a bit more tension in it. I'm trying to do like a before and after video for how much slack. So that's quite a there's probably a good ½ inch movement with that, to be honest, up and down, and possibly more. So I took the crank sensor out, so I just held in with a 10mm bolt, that size. So then, I don't know if you can see it, but you'll have your pickup on the crank there. So we'll see if I can put a screwdriver in there and see if I can just lock it up, just so I can do it without breaking that off the crank. That's the only problem. So I've just noticed now there's a section in the centre of both cams where you can get on it with a spanner as well. So if we can get a drill bit to fit inside there to lock that, fit a spanner on there, hold that, can undo the crank and the cam. Then once all the sprockets are undone, take the, as long as they're lined up, take the cams out, replace the chain, because I don't think there's anything special with it. I think it comes off. It might come off with a cam, that, because there's a bolt either side there, so that might just pop off. We'll see. We'll see. I've not found anyone replacing the chain on these, but to me that he's bought it, so the sprockets don't seem too bad. Probably could have done with sprockets, but we'll stick a chain on and see. The tension anyway will be better than that, so right, we'll leave it at that. I did put a new rocker cover gasket, but once I pulled it off, it had the spark plug gaskets on it. So he wants new spark plug gaskets. I'll be able to reuse the rocker cover gasket again, because it's still supple, it's not gone hard and brittle. The spark plug ones have, so